Shiny tamarind. This is Gabrong.
Yeah, when it's right there.
When it's ripe.
Yeah, same size, yeah. Yeah, height, people go crazy for plum, huh?
So guys, we picking some plum here. This guy climbing up on the plum tree to get some plum. We're looking for some nice full plums to make some soak plum and plum chow. Hey, be careful, they fall, you know. You're reaching for the ones on the tip top. Once you see it ripe and it not
Yeah.
you could pick that as well. Where's that, ants? Yeah. Go on the next side now. Or anywhere, you're seeing them.
Yeah, nice one, check it out.
Nice and full. It's half ripe.
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah.
You getting up there?
Yeah.
Alright. Be careful when you're coming now, yeah? Pick as much as you could, you know, because you're getting until next year again, you know. Yeah, take your time coming now. Alright guys, so this is all the plum we have here. Right, we're going and empty it out now and pick out the full green ones to make this soup plum. Right, so it have some green ones and you're seeing some ripe ones, half ripe ones. Right, so we're gonna pick out some of the green ones and we're gonna make the soap plum with those. Right, so these are the green plums that we have selected to make the soap plum, and we're gonna wash these now. So we're washing it for a second time again. So guys, right now we're gonna cut each plum about 4 times on the outside, lengthways, and this is for the mixture to soak in. So if you could see here, there's a cut here, one here again, and next one here, and next one here. So 4 times. And you're doing this with all the green plums. So these are the things that we're going to be using to make the mixture to soak the plum in. So we have 2 hot peppers, about 5 cloves of garlic, thyme, shadow benny or bandania, and some chive. We also going to add some scorpion pepper relish made from habanero peppers, some black pepper, and some salt. So we'll see how it goes. So we're gonna grind up this seasoning here, and we'll show you what it looks like after. So guys, this is our jar we have here, and we're going to start making the mixture now. So these are the ingredients that was grinded up, and the peppers were just cut up. And here we have the plum and the rest of the ingredients. So we're gonna start by filling this jar here with some water, and then we're gonna add the ingredients and make the mixture before we add the plum. So we add in about 3.5 cups of water to this. Three and a half to 4 cups. Right, and then we're gonna be adding this to the water now, the seasoning. So we have to add some salt and black pepper and some scorpion pepper sauce as well. Some black pepper going in there. This is the salt we just added, and a little bit of the scorpion pepper sauce. Right. So we're gonna mix this up. And the next thing we're gonna add is the plum. Right, so we're gonna cover it now and then shake the bottle. Right, so look how nice this looking, guys. Right, you're seeing all the pepper and the seasoning mixed up with the plum. So we have to shake it up now. And leave it to sit for some time. We could also add some vinegar to this to help preserve it as well.